Did you know your entire eternal soul could have been doomed because a scribe was having a bad Tuesday? Here's the thing about ancient Egypt. Getting into the afterlife wasn't about being a good person. It was paperwork, literal paperwork. You needed the right spells, the right passwords, the right magic phrases to say to the right gods at the right doors. Miss one, and you're done. So wealthy Egyptians bought something called the Book of the Dead. Think of it as a cheat code packet for the underworld. Hundreds of spells, divine credentials, the whole thing. Pre-written, mass-produced. And here's where it gets dark. They left a blank space for your name. A scribe was supposed to fill it in after you bought your copy. Archaeologists have found real mummies buried with books of the dead that still had someone else's name in them. The scribe just forgot to update it. So this person paid a fortune, died, walked up to the gods, and handed them the wrong ID. The Egyptian afterlife was bureaucracy, and bureaucracy has always had human error.